In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 20X, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to hit Accessibility features. Then tap on one-handed mode and use gray switcher to activate it. Following that, follow those instructions. I have tricky navigation, so I have to slide my finger across the button of the screen. And when I do that, one-handed mode is on. If you never used it before, select Got it. Now to go back, click on blank area. If you want to use this tiny screen on the other side, just swipe in the opposite direction. Go back the same way. Lastly, to disable one-handed mode, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!